What up guys, welcome to Raiden Overland. Today's video, we're doing an install on the GX470. We got some goodies, we're upgrading our roof rack system. So excited. So let me show you guys what we got going on here. So we got ourselves a Sherpa Quandary Roof Rack for the GX470, and we got some Rome 128 liter rugged cases. If you haven't seen the video that I made on my roof rack system currently, you should go check that out. The first step we're gonna do is take out the boxes. So now it's already one side off. And like that, we got everything off. We got the crossbars removed. I'm already sweating, dude. I'm pretty sure these ones are just like like a slap and pull back. Nah, just patience. So the next step, I'm gonna clean all this BS off the roof. And it's pretty clean. We're gonna grab this size 12 socket and then strip all the nuts. There's a cover right here, so you just gotta pinch and pull. Absolutely disgusting. So I'm gonna get a vacuum. So I cleaned the rails. So let's set this table with all our shit. All right, 3, 2, 1.
The table, we're gonna have our crossbars for our rack.
I took out the hardware. We got 6 brackets. Rear, middle, right. This guy actually goes around this little white plastic piece. Boom. Got them all. Comes with these T-washers or whatever. It comes with these washers. Doesn't matter which way you do it. You gotta have the round side at the bottom. The mounts, I just did them finger tight. Got them pretty much dead even on each side. Recommend not leaving these too loose, because they will fall off and you will crash out. I can guarantee you will crash out. The next step is grabbing like bolts or whatever, and then we're gonna have to grab the side panel. All right, let's see, where the heck does this go? I think it's pretty centered, and I got it matching the body panel to like the best of my ability, I think. So next step is I'm gonna throw in the other crossbars. The remaining crossbars that I have, I just gotta fill in the gaps. The final part is the fairing. Let's see if I don't crash out. It's installed. We'll probably wait till tomorrow to fine tune it. We'll see you guys tomorrow when it's bright. Here we are, guys. GX. Centered pretty good too. Yeah, that looks good. Sheesh. So that was the install of the Sherpa roof rack. If you guys enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. All right guys, see ya.